everyone. This is Miss Lena again on Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm so proud to have all of my viewers to watch my video. And I have my great-grandson, he's going to be doing the video for me today. And I will be doing oven roasted chicken. I have chicken legs and also chicken wings. Okay, now my verse comes today from, I'm taking my verse from Matthew 6:20, chapter 6, 21. Store up yourself treasures in heaven, where moth and rust do not destroy, where thieves do not break in and steal. For where you are, your treasures, if they're in your heart, be also. Matthew 6 chapter, verse 20-21. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to do an oven roasted chicken. And I think my great-grandson is the oldest one, is Dane. And Dane is doing the video for me today. Okay, and now these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Put them around there. Okay, and you can say, that's my onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, well, I still got 2 garlic powder, and a little bit of complete, black pepper, table salt, and ador. Okay, and I also will probably be using a little bit of I haven't used this in quite a while, and that's my mix. Okay, and I'm going to be using also my mushroom soup, and also my mushroom soup and celery soup, and also cream of chicken soup. All right, thank you. Okay. All right, so now I have 2 pans here that I'm working with, and I'm going to have to push that over here for me. Push that over there for me, okay? Good. And why I'm cooking so much today, I had all of my grandkids over here. There are 6 people to eat. 6 of my great-grandkids will be eating today. And so I'm fixing a pretty good sized meal today for everybody to have some. Hopefully this will be one day, one good meal for today, I'll say that. So they can all get full today, that's what I'm trying to say, I'm sorry. All right, my onion powder in here. My onion powder. Okay. I'm putting everything on all stuff. Like I said, I have chicken legs and chicken wings. Paprika. Okay. And this is going to be oven roasted chicken that I'll be having for all of us today. Okay. Garlic powder. We're going to see how it's going to come out. I'm sure that my grandson he's really good at this, so we should have a nice video. And I'm so proud of him that he can help out today to do this for me. And in the meantime, he's going to teach me how to do it. Because he's good at whatever he does. You just have to get him still for a minute. That's the only thing. And of course, it's hard to get it's hard to get teenagers get still 1 minute to do something. They enjoy doing so many things but when you want them to get something done, it's hard to get it done. But I'm still trusting them a little bit to get it out done. Okay, now I'm going to be kind of stirring it around in the pan. I'll turn it over. Now do this all over again in order to get it out. Okay. I'm trying to get all of these young people of mine, if I can, get them interested in cooking, because that's what it is going to be one day, maybe. they all might have a restaurant, and maybe all of them call it Miss Lena's Kitchen. And all the brothers and sisters and all the cousins and their children and their grandchildren or whatever will have a big business under Miss Lena's Kitchen. And they said, well, we remember our grandmother doing all of these things, so we thought we would all come together and combine our change and just make us a great big restaurant and have a nice thing out with Malachi, who wants to be the big chef. He is the next cook, but Dane can cook well too. He doesn't have time. He's more of a video guy and a game guy. But I love them all, you know. I love the way they all do, because all of them are very smart. But I just can't get them to do a lot when it comes in the kitchen. But eat a lot. And that's nice. I enjoy feeding them also. And I know they enjoy eating, so that's why I don't mind. That's why I enjoy fixing the food for them. So that's why I'm talking while I'm doing this, because he's sitting here, and I know he's interested in what I'm saying and what I'm doing. I guess I'm hoping he is anyway. He looks like he's excited, but I just would love for them to have a real nice restaurant in the next 20, 30 years when I be going on with their children. And I think they will. I would hope they will, because I think they love to look at the videos, and I think they will open up a big old nice restaurant. And all of them be cooking with their children, their wives, or whatever they have, or whatever they want to do. So now, okay, I have all right, so I'm going to be putting in, this is a cream of celery soup that I'm putting in also. So, I know probably y'all have never seen anyone do all of this stuff, but anyway, this is a little bit different from what I plan on doing. So, but I wanted to get it done because I wanted them to have something different for dinner today, and this is why I'm doing this one today. So I wanted them to be able to eat out most of the day, because I know this next week school will be starting. And I know I won't be seeing them too much at all. So I wanted them to remember this day. And this next few days, I think they'll be around here with us for a few days. So, and they're here because, of course, it's very hot. And their home air conditions went out. And not the girls, but just the boys, and not the little baby girls, but the boys. Their homes went out. Their air conditioning went out. So that's why they're back here with me today. So I'm glad they're here, because I love having them here whenever they're here. I love having my grandchildren around, and I appreciate. Okay, so now I'm going to get a spoon, and I'm going to put all this stuff in. All right, hand me all right. Okay, so all right, so I've got my, okay, so I'm putting a little bit of my chicken broth on top also with this. So I've got onions in here. I've got all this stuff. This is my pan with the chicken wings, okay? And this has chicken wings and chicken thighs. But like I said, I have all of my grandkids here, my great grandkids here, and I want them to have a real blessed day. And I want them to have a lot of good food to eat before they go back to school. And they'll know that Granny fixed a lot of good stuff today. So, okay. So that's what I'm trying to do, is get this in here. So I put onions and all this good stuff in here. So, and also the chicken broth. So this is going. Okay. And I love lots of onions when I'm doing a roasted chicken anyway. So, and then also, this is a 7 pepper seasoning that I'm also using here. I'm gonna put just a little bit more paprika on top of them, you know, so give them a pretty flavor when they get ready to come out. So I think they should be truly delicious when they finish here. So I think they'll be okay. So okay, so let me get me a little rag and wipe the edges up. Because when you start putting all this little extra stuff in, they kind of get messy around the edges. So I'm gonna try to clean the edges off just a little bit. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm thinking that I have enough on here to start it in the oven, so that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. Get all of it in the oven, and then I'll be back when I'll bring the chicken back when it's finished. So thank you. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, hello everybody. I'm back now with the finishing touch of my oven roasted chicken, legs and wings and drumsticks. And so they look really good, and I know they're very tasty and everything. I'm hoping that it's been a warm day to do this, but I hope that you will find they are so nice with all of the ingredients that I put in these. I hope you will try this.
Y'all, this chicken is so good. Oh my goodness.
It's really it's good all the way to the bones. It's so good.
It really is.
I'm not eating it right now because I'm a little bit tired. When I'm tired like that, I have to rest a few minutes before I can eat. But I know I hope the children are going to enjoy it. And I know that they will. DJ's enjoying herself already, but I can't eat mine right now. I have to wait a few minutes.
This chicken is
I know it's off the chain, and I really want to eat right now, but I have to wait a few minutes. I'm just a little bit too tired, so when I get tired like that, I won't eat until a few minutes later. But I thank you all for watching. I thank you all of my new subscribers, all the ones that my supporters, and all the ones that have been on for a long time. Y'all have really blessed me to keep me in your prayers, and I want you all to constantly keep me in your prayers, and so I can keep on healing. Right here, keep on. Right. Okay, Malachi is going to taste it for me because I can't taste it right now. Okay, it's hot, is it, huh?
It's cool.
I know it's everything I'm cooking now is off the chain, and I know this is going to be really off the chain also. That's my favorite word, is off the chain, because I know it's good, and everybody's eating it like it's very delicious. Stand up.
It's seasoned a lot.
It's what?
It definitely seasoned.
You say it's seasoned a lot?
Mm-hmm.
It's got a lot of seasoning in it. Lots of seasoning in it. So that's what makes it very tasty.
Good.
Very, very tasty. So I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen. My oven roasted chicken on a real hot day of 107, 108 in here right now at lunchtime. But I have all the grandkids, and I want the great grandkids out here, and I want them to have a nice lunch. So I thank you all for watching, and you see they're gonna make the video, and they'll be eating later on. I thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
Sorry.
Goodbye, with all my love. For Miss
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And press all.
Share.
And share. And follow.
All right, goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Bye-bye.